was a beautiful day to grill up some amazing ribeye steaks from my local HEB. And that's exactly what happened on this day. This day, guys, I was just walking through my local HEB and I noticed these huge ribeye steaks just looking at me. And I couldn't walk past them. I mean, I grabbed them and I, as you can see, threw them in my basket. Were absolutely huge, nice, thick, good marbling, prime grade ribeye steaks. I grabbed a few packs and I just went simple on them. I used my horseradish spider and that Sucklebusters SPG. Absolutely perfect combination for steaks. This was an amazing flavor. Now that SPG from Sucklebusters is something special. It's formulated perfectly for steaks. I mean, there is nothing else that you need to add to a steak if you're using that Sucklebusters SPG. It's absolutely perfect. As you can see, I'm applying both sides, all edges. I'm going to refrigerate these bad boys for about a good 8 hours before I actually cook them. And I'm just giving you a couple of shots, different angles of what they look like. They don't, I mean, this video doesn't do them justice. These things were massive. And they filled up that sheet. These were nice, thick cut ribeye steaks from my local HEB. And for the cooker of choice that day, guys, I ended up just doing them in the Louisiana Grill's kamado cooker. And I'm just going to open it up and clean it up a little bit and get it ready for this cook. I like the way this thing cooks up on steaks. I mean, this thing's absolutely fantastic. We get that heat baffle out the way. Got that charcoal basket. We can just shake it out. Clean it up into that ash can down at the bottom. Shout out to ash can. And guys, for the fuel of this choice, we're going to do some charcoal. But guess from where? We're doing some hard lump charcoal from Bear Mountain BBQ, baby. Bear Mountain has done it. And let me tell you guys, this charcoal is absolutely fantastic. Huge chunks. This charcoal is legit. I'm going to have the link to this product in the video description. For those of you out there that like to cook with charcoal, and do a little bit of fishing while I'm out here, and light the cooker. Pretty cool little fishing pole lighter. You could, by the way, you could actually put fishing string on it and do some real fishing. But yeah, this thing's kind of neat. Nice long lighter for those hard to reach places. Got a couple of fire starters in there. We're just gonna let this cooker get up to temp. And we're gonna burn these steaks nice and hot, baby. Nice and hot. Beautiful charcoal from my friends over at Bear Mountain BBQ. As you guys know, I use their pellets all the time. Well, they now have the lump charcoal too. I'll be doing a lot more charcoal cooks on my channel. I've got all the vents on the bottom and the top wide open because I want this thing to get pretty hot. I'm gonna cook these steaks pretty hot and fast. I'm gonna reverse smoke anything. This is going to be a hot, fast cook. Cannot wait to eat that steak. There you go. There's that flame. Just going to show you guys the top view of that cooker. Getting that kamado cooker scent. Has a distinctive scent. And the temperatures are climbing. So we're just going to wait patiently. Guys, before I cook those steaks, I want to cook some shrimp on a stick. Let's do some shrimps on a stick. Nice jumbo shrimp from my local HEB. I'm rocking that onion butter from Fire and Smoke Society. Shout out Fire and Smoke Society. They have fantastic rubs. That rub on shrimp is absolutely fantastic. Let me tell you. We're just gonna cook them a little bit on both sides. We don't want to overcook them. And now that I can tell that they're almost done, I want to pull out that candy jalapeno from Gabrick BBQ. Gabrick BBQ sauces and rubs. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Shout out Gabrick BBQ. Amazing sauces. That candy jalapeno took these shrimp to the next level. Drizzle a little bit on both sides after flipping. Hey guys, I'm just gonna move that top rack. I'm gonna fold it out the way. I'm gonna go ahead and put my first 2 steaks in. Steaks are down. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. Because we're gonna get some flaming, and I didn't want to get too much of a crazy flame. I'm gonna flip them 3 minutes. 3 minutes per side. And the fat's starting to render. We're gonna start getting some flare-ups here in a minute. The steaks were about room temperature at the time of the cook. I had already pulled them out about a good hour and a half, 2 hours before I started putting them on the grill. And we've got some amazing scents coming off of that grill. The smoke is just fantastic. Getting some real nice color on both sides. Being careful not to overdo it there. You guys can see the internal temps there. I took them up to the 120s before pulling them. These steaks were absolutely fantastic, man. They were like butter. Every time I stuck it with that temp probe, it was legit. Let me tell you. Look at that flame. That Bear Mountain BBQ charcoal is not playing around, guys. That Bear Mountain BBQ charcoal, lump charcoal, takes care of business. Burns very, very hot for a long, long time. There's the shrimp, and the first 2 steaks are out. Man, let me tell you, they smell absolutely fantastic. Next 2 in. Same process here, guys. We're gonna time 3 minutes per side. I'm gonna let them go before flipping them and doing another 3 minutes on the other side. Getting that nice fat drippage. Amazing flames coming off of that. I'm telling you guys, that Bear Mountain lump charcoal is the real deal. You guys got to get yourself some. Getting that fat nice and rendered on all sides. Oh my goodness, guys. That was a steak to remember right there. Not the last time I do that. I think it's time to do a tomahawk on this cooker. Stay tuned. Doing a lot of cooking on this thing. Guys, look how big that steak is. Bam. And just think if that's a full-size plate, that's how big those steaks were. Absolutely fantastic. Very tender. Very juicy. These things cut like butter. It was an absolutely delicious meal, you guys. Had a salad, had a potato. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Taste but see, yeah.